Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to connect your headphones JBL G432 to your phone. Basically it's so simple, and all what you need is to make a mini jack port on your phone right there, and then just connect your headphones to this port. We can see a headphones icon right here at the top, so it means that it connected. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.